Chapter 5 Law MCQ Membership. Section 255 of Companies Act 2013 states about member. Who among the following shall be considered as member of the company? Subscriber to MOA, transfer of shares, beneficial owner. The answer is all of the above. Third one, shareholder plus registered with depositories or company is member. Subscriber to MOA cannot rescind the contract for the purchase of shares. It was held in the case RE Metal Constituents Company. Fifth, Section 19 provides that subsidiary company cannot become member of holding company. Sixth, partnership firm become a member of dash company, can become a member of Section 8 company. Minor can apply for registration of shares if fully paid up through natural guardian, both. Which of the following statement is false? Pawnee cannot sell the shares pawned to him. 9. Person applying for shares in fictitious is liable to imprisonment extended to 10 years. I think it's fictitious. Yes, person applying for shares in fictitious is liable to imprisonment extended to 10 years. 10. Mr. A has applied for share through multiple identities. This offense is non-compoundable. 11. Dash is short, cut to forfeiture, surrender. 12. Examine the following statement and state false statement. AOA may provide for expulsion of member. 13. Joint members are counted as one in case of private company. Shares of central government and state government can be held in the name of president and governors empowered by Articles 299. Article 299. Shares held by government in any company cannot be issued share certificate in the name of collector. For variation of members, write consent in writing of the holder of not less than dash of the issued capital of shall of that class, 3/4 of the issued capital. Petition to NCLT for the cancellation of variation in member rights shall be made to NCLT within dash days of which consent was given, 21 days. 18th, SR should is passed through postal ballot except OPC private company, both A and B. 19th, if any violation has been made by the company under section 48, then the penalty not less than extending to dash can be imposed on company, 25,000 to 5 lakh. In case of company with guarantee, dash is transferred, interest is transferred.